Hey guys, with it being the spooky season, I have a cool new channel point idea that's called Truth or Scare. Come check it out. Once you load up Mixitup, you're going to want to come down to your channel points. Go ahead and make a new one. I made one and I named it Truth or Scare. So under here, you'll have to go down to the actions and click random. Whenever you pop up random, it'll show up completely empty. And what I did was I chose a whole bunch of sounds that are scares. And then I also chose a whole bunch of questions. So it'll either play a jump scare or it'll ask you a question in your chat. So there's your jump scare. And there's your question. If you guys have any other questions about Mixitup, or you'd like to know any other type of channel points or just a command, please leave a comment down below and let me know. Bye.